Welcome! If you've ever wished your Facebook videos looked sharper and clearer, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to increase the resolution of all videos on the Facebook app for PC with the latest update. This quick and easy guide will help you enjoy your favorite videos in stunning high definition every time you watch. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Facebook app open on your PC. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu with several options. Next, find and click on Settings and Privacy. A new list will appear. From here, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize your Facebook experience. Now, look for the section labeled Media. Click on it to enter the media settings. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see an option called Video Default Quality. Click on this option to reveal the available video quality settings. You'll notice a few choices, but what we're looking for is HD if available. Select this option to ensure that all videos you watch on Facebook will automatically play in high definition whenever it's available. This means you'll get the best possible video quality without having to adjust the settings every time you watch something new. Once you've selected HD, if available, don't forget to click Save. This will apply your new settings and make sure your changes take effect immediately. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've upgraded your Facebook video experience. Now, every time you watch a video on the Facebook app for PC, you'll enjoy crisp, clear visuals that make your feed come to life. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Enjoy your new HD Facebook experience.